Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video, like you saw in the title, I'm going to show you how to take out some stains from a shirt. Okay, my daughter just spilled some cocoa on her shirt, and we're going to take this out using a water pick. This one is the big one that you can see in another video that I unboxed, and it's actually plugged in, but you can also use the smaller ones that are cordless. They work the same. So I'm gonna crank up the pressure. Then we take the water pick. Okay, you take the affected area, you put a little something behind it. In this case, it's just a little bit of toilet paper, but you can use another rag, for example. So you put it in the back, sorry, and you turn on the machine. This is gonna be loud. Okay, now pay attention. Yeah, so that's it. All the cocoa is gone. And you can do this with any type of stain. You can do it with, mustard and mayo and whatever. And if it's something oily like mayo, for example, instead of using water, you can put in some isopropyl alcohol that will dissolve really well the grease. Okay, so you can take out things like mayo, oil, Vaseline, all kinds of lubricants. For example, me working on the truck, I sometimes touch the fifth wheel and I get some really ugly black grease on my clothes, and this way I can just spray it off. And for lighter stains like this was, you don't even need to use any type of detergent. It just takes them out. Just make sure you put something in the back, because it's the water pressure that takes it out, and it takes it through the fiber, and it's gonna put it on the other side of the cloth. And if you have cloth on the other side of your shirt, then you're just gonna put the stain on the other side of the shirt. So make sure you put something in the back. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Bye bye.